Hello, Lady Doris here. Today I'll be showing with you how to make this beautiful round pleated base for your auto gele. So I'll be using this particular ashoke, and the measurement is 20 inches. You can use 18 inches, but I am using 20 inches. Okay, so when you are done measuring out your ashoke, the next step is to measure your pleats. You can use 1-inch pleat or half-inch pleat. So for this tutorial I'll be using half-inch pleats. Okay, so I want my pleats to be tiny. If you want your own to be bolder, you use 1-inch pleats, but if you want your own to be tiny, use half-inch pleats. Okay, so you go ahead and pleat like this, pleat, then sew it in. Then we start pleating on top of it like this. Take it to your sewing machine and sew it down. When you are done sewing the first in down, and you start making or creating your pleats like this. Once you are done, you take it to your sewing machine and sew all of them. So this is how I create my pleats and sew down. It's beginner friendly. My videos alright, so you are going to learn a lot if you follow this video. Alright, so dive in. I'm very down. Oh god, this voiceover, but I'm going to continue until I'm done. So this is it though. Continue to pleat and sew, pleat and sew, pleat and sew. You can decide to iron it though for it to be flat, but when you are done, you can do that. The next step is a banger. I'm going to go ahead and add more materials to this particular pleats that I'm making. Just go ahead and cut out the same 20 inches of your ashoke. Divide it into 2. Okay, so then add it to the one you are already pleating. Just that. Then continue your pleating, and that's all. Okay, so another thing that you need to understand is that when you are making tiny pleats, you are going to make more than 6 pleats. You are going to make about 8 pleats. That is why we are adding more material to that particular pleats that we are making. Okay, but if you are using bolder pleats like 1 inch, you don't need to, because if you make 6 pleats already, is okay. Okay, so that's the mathematics I did here. Thank you for watching all the way through. This is the outcome, and the next step is to add the tail. Alright, so it's just 2 pieces. Some people used to make it 3 pieces, but I'm using 2. 2 is okay. Go ahead and introduce this particular one here, then turn it. Then next step is to join it here with your sewing machine. Then join it here. Also sew these ones in. So the measurement for this tail is 20 inches. Alright, 20 inches. The 2 of them, this one and the other one, is 20 inches. So the next step is to add the handles. So the measurement for the handles is 13 inches. 13 inches. Just 2. You get 2 pieces like that. Then there is a way you are going to sew it. Fold it in like this. Fold it in like this. Then take it to your sewing machine and sew. Sew the 2 of them like that. Okay. I'm going to take everything to my sewing machine and sew it like that. You see the way I'm placing it. So sew everything like that. You are going to see the next step. This is the outcome, and you can see it's beautiful. So then you can use this to make any kind of gele style, provided your customer asks you that the gele should carry round base. So this is it. If you have not subscribed, please do away and subscribe. See you next time. Thank you for watching.